Journeying from St. Elizabeth, we have Black River Primary up against Hatfield Primary and Junior High from Manchester.
So let's jump right in. In Section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Hatfield Primary won. They decided that Black River Primary should play first. So Black River Primary, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which disciple was told to catch a fish that would hold a coin in its mouth?
Peter.
Correct. Hatfield, Bible knowledge to you. How many of the 10 virgins were foolish according to the parable in the New Testament?
9.
Incorrect. 5. Black River, science. Which term is used to describe materials through which electric current cannot flow?
Insulators.
Correct. Science to you, Hatfield Primary. Which term is used to describe materials through which electric current can easily flow?
Wires.
Incorrect. Conductors. Black River Primary, Jamaican Affairs. Who is the Minister of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries?
Audley Shaw.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs to you, Hatfield. Who is the Minister responsible for Energy? The question passes to Black River Primary. Would you like to answer?
No, thank you.
The answer is Fable Williams. And Black River, we're still with you for English language. Form a noun from the verb see.
Saw.
Incorrect. Sight. English language to Hatfield. Form a noun from the verb think.
Thinking.
Incorrect. Thought. Black River, television. In which year was the movie Pitch Perfect released?
2016.
Incorrect. 2012. Television to you, Hatfield Primary. In which year was the movie High School Musical released?
2010.
Incorrect. 2006. Black River Primary, general knowledge. During which World War was Adolf Hitler a prominent leader?
World War II.
Correct. General knowledge to Hatfield Primary. In which country was Adolf Hitler a leader?
Russia.
Incorrect. Germany. Social studies for Black River. The Jose is celebrated by which religious group?
Islam.
Incorrect. Muslim. I'm sorry. That is correct. Muslims. Social studies to Hatfield Primary. The Hanukkah is celebrated by which religious group?
Hinduism.
Incorrect. Jews. Black River Primary, music. Here I Am God, Arms Wide Open is a line from which Tasha Cobbs Leonard song?
This is a move.
Incorrect. Gracefully Broken. Music to you, Hatfield. You provide the fire, I'll provide the sacrifice is a line from which Tasha Cobbs Leonard song? The question passes to Black River Primary. Would you like to answer?
Yes, thank you. Fire.
Incorrect. Fill me up. Black River Primary is still with you for mathematics. What is 1.8% as a decimal?
$1.40.
Incorrect. 0.018. Mathematics to you, Hatfield. What is 40% as a decimal?
0.4. No, 0.4. No, 0.04.
The question passes to Black River Primary. Would you like to answer?
Yes, thank you. 0.4.
Correct. And that is the end of Section 1.
With round 1 completed, Black River Primary leads with 6 points, while Hatfield Primary and Junior High remains on 0 points.
Please stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is next in the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz, Quest for Quiz.